You don't need a laptop anymore to edit documents. Your phone and AI can handle it in seconds. Start by opening any browser on your mobile and searching for Grok, then open the website and log in to your account. Once you're inside, tap on the plus icon and choose the Upload Image option to upload the document you want to edit, such as a resume or any text-based file. After uploading, describe the changes you want in the prompt box. For example, updating a name, fixing text, or adjusting specific details while keeping the original layout intact. When everything is ready, click on the Submit button and let the AI process your request. Within a few seconds, it generates an updated version of your document while maintaining the same font style and overall design. Once the result is ready, simply download it to your device. This method makes document editing on mobile fast, convenient, and perfect for quick changes without needing a laptop.